Have you ever walked into a home that felt calm, stylish, and effortlessly beautiful? The secret isn't expensive furniture or complicated decorations. It's thoughtful simplicity. With just a few carefully placed indoor plants, you can transform any room into a modern, peaceful retreat. Minimalist plant decor is all about choosing the right plants, using clean designs, and letting nature become the centerpiece of your home. In today's video, we're counting down 10 minimalist indoor plant decor ideas, starting with simple, beginner-friendly tips and ending with the ultimate designer secret that instantly elevates any space. Stay until the end, because idea number 10 is the easiest way to make your home look professionally styled. Number 1. Choose a simple color palette. The foundation of minimalist decor is consistency. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, gray, black, or natural wood tones for your plant pots and surrounding decor. These calming colors create a clean, cohesive look while allowing the vibrant green leaves to stand out. Avoid mixing too many bright colors or decorative patterns, which can make a room feel busy. A simple palette creates harmony throughout your home and instantly makes any space feel larger, brighter, and more relaxing. Number 2. Start with easy care plants. Minimalism is about simplicity, and that includes choosing plants that are easy to maintain. Snake plants, ZZ plants, pothos, and peace lilies are excellent choices because they thrive with minimal care while offering beautiful foliage. Healthy plants always look more attractive than high-maintenance plants that struggle to survive. By selecting hardy varieties, you can enjoy lush greenery without spending hours on maintenance, making your home both stylish and stress-free. Number 3. Use matching plant pots. One of the easiest ways to create a designer-inspired home is by using matching planters. Whether you choose ceramic, concrete, or matte-finished pots, keeping the style consistent creates a polished appearance. Matching containers help different plants feel connected, even when they're placed in separate rooms. The uniform look also keeps the focus on the natural beauty of the plants, rather than distracting containers. Number 4. Decorate with floating shelves. Floating shelves provide a modern way to display indoor plants while saving valuable floor space. Install simple wooden or white shelves and place only a few carefully chosen plants on each one. Leave empty space between plants to keep the arrangement clean and uncluttered. You can also add a small candle, book, or framed photo to create balance. Floating shelves turn an empty wall into a stylish feature without overwhelming the room. Number 5. Add hanging plants. Instead of filling every tabletop, use hanging planters to introduce greenery from above. Plants like pothos, spider plants, string of pearls, and heartleaf philodendron naturally trail downward, adding softness and movement to your decor. Choose minimalist hanging planters with simple designs that blend seamlessly into your home. Hanging plants also free up valuable space, making them perfect for apartments and smaller rooms. Number 6. Create a cozy plant corner. Rather than scattering plants throughout the house, dedicate one corner to a small collection. Combine a tall plant, a medium-sized plant, and a trailing plant for visual balance. Use matching pots and leave plenty of empty space around them. This intentional arrangement creates a relaxing focal point while maintaining the clean lines that define minimalist interiors. Even a forgotten corner can become one of the most beautiful parts of your home. Number 7. Pair plants with natural materials. Minimalist interiors often feature natural textures like wood, stone, bamboo, linen, and woven baskets. Pairing your indoor plants with these materials creates warmth without adding clutter. A snake plant on a wooden stool or a peace lily beside a woven basket feels both modern and organic. These natural combinations create harmony between your decor and your plants, making the entire room feel balanced and inviting. Number 8. Let natural light be part of the design. Sunlight doesn't just help plants grow. It also enhances your home's overall appearance. Position plants near bright windows, where natural light highlights their unique shapes and textures. Instead of filling the windowsill with dozens of plants, display just 2 or 3 with enough space between them. The sunlight creates beautiful shadows while making the room feel open, fresh, and full of life. Number 9. Choose one large statement plant. Sometimes, one impressive plant has more impact than several smaller ones. A large monstera, fiddle-leaf fig, bird of paradise, or rubber plant can become the centerpiece of your living room or bedroom. Place it in a sleek, neutral-colored planter and allow it plenty of surrounding space. The dramatic leaves naturally attract attention while maintaining the uncluttered feel that minimalist design is known for. Number 10. Follow the designer's rule of 3. Professional interior designers often use the rule of 3 when styling indoor plants. Group 3 plants together with different heights, leaf shapes, and textures. For example, pair a tall snake plant, a medium ZZ plant, and a trailing pothos. Keep the pots similar in color and leave enough breathing room around the arrangement. This simple technique creates perfect balance, adds visual interest, and instantly makes your home look elegant, modern, and professionally decorated. Minimalist indoor plant decor isn't about owning more plants. It's about displaying them with intention. By choosing simple colors, matching pots, natural materials, and thoughtful placement, you can create a peaceful home that feels fresh, modern, and welcoming. Start with just 1 or 2 of these ideas, and you'll be amazed at how much they transform your space. Which minimalist decor tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more indoor plant inspiration, home decor ideas, and easy gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.